Hey everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the headlight bulbs in a 2011 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before I get into that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the headlight bulbs in this 2015 CR-V LX, and procedures will be similar for a lot of CR-V models from 2011 to 2016. But be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. In the engine bay, at the back of the headlight assembly, a wiring harness is attached to the bulb. Unplug the wiring harness by pressing in on the plastic tab and pulling down. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Be sure not to touch your new bulb with your bare hands. Oil or grease from your fingers can create hot spots on the glass and cause it to burn out prematurely. Install the new bulb by turning it clockwise in the bulb housing. Plug the wiring harness into the back of the bulb. Headlights should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Turn your headlights on to make sure they're working like they should. Close the hood. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon!